Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we delve into the fascinating world of Forex trading. Whether you're just starting out or have some experience under your belt, today's discussion will serve as a valuable guide to mastering the art of picking the right Forex pairs. So grab your coffee, get comfortable, and let's explore how to make informed trading decisions in this massive global market. Now, if you're a newcomer to Forex, you may find it intimidating to sift through the numerous currency pairs available. Trust me, you're not alone in feeling that way. The foreign exchange market is the biggest financial platform in the world, and selecting the right pairs can significantly impact your success. To kick off, let's talk about the major pairs, which are perfect for beginners due to their high liquidity and relatively stable nature. Think of the EUR-USD, often dubbed the king of Forex pairs. It's the most traded pair and provides you with tighter spreads and minimal transaction costs, making your trading journey less bumpy. Next up is the USD-JPY, a significant pair not just because of its high trade volume, but also for its role as a safe haven during turbulent economic times. And don't forget about the GBP-USD, or cable, as it's affectionately known. It's a bit more volatile, yet offers intriguing opportunities for those who are prepared to manage a bit more risk. In the world of Forex, research is your greatest ally. It's wise to be in tune with what's happening in the world, because political and economic events can greatly influence currency prices. Additionally, following ideas, analyses, and strategies from other traders can enhance your understanding and decision-making. So, if you're finding value in what we share, consider subscribing to our channel. Stay informed and engaged as part of a community that's always learning and growing. But remember, not all pairs are made equal. Exotic pairs involving currencies from emerging markets might seem attractive but come with challenges like low liquidity and unpredictable volatility, elements that can complicate trading for beginners. As a final point, it's crucial to understand that while Forex trading holds the potential for significant rewards, it does come with its share of risks. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. Keeping a portion of your money safe is as important as finding the right opportunities to grow it. Thank you for spending some time with us today. We hope this video helps you navigate your Forex journey with more confidence. The road to becoming a skilled trader is long, but remember, every expert was once a beginner. Stay curious, keep learning, and trade wisely. Until next time, happy trading.